class. Today we have discussed a new topic on zoology known as biotechnology. Before going to this topic, we discuss what is biotechnology. Bio means life and technology means application or techniques used in our day-to-day life. Means in life, which technology used in every day is known as biotechnology. In this biotechnology unit, we first study how a biotechnological application used in our different day-to-day life. First, today we use insulin. What is insulin? Insulin is the enzyme which is given a diabetic patient for its cure. So, insulin is produced from our beta cell of pancreas. So, if insulin is deficient in our body, we will give an insulin as an injection to give our body and inject our body to maintain our insulin level in our body. Second, hybrid food production. Hybrid food means better food production. Today we saw the variety of food in different types, in lands and in sweet, in a very good manner, do not rapture it every side. So hybrid food is a food which is mainly produced through this biotechnological process. Then number 3, vaccine production. Vaccine is used to prevent different kind of disease with the help of this biotechnological method. Then number 4, antigen production. Different types of antibody production for particular antigen. So, what is antigen? Antigen is the foreign substance. When an antigen is entered in our body produces antibody against to the antigen. If in our body is unable to produce antibody, we take antibody from outside. We take different type of antibody like our azithromycin, or this antibody we will take as an antibiotic product like cefoxitin, azithromycin, etc. So, for production of antibody, we take particular antibiotic to prevent our body. So, all this process is produced or used with the help of this biotechnological process. So, biotechnology, a main technology is known as genetic engineering technology, and it is widely used technological method. So genetic means gene level engineering means application. If some application is used in genetic level or gene level, or in the other word, manipulation of gene. Manipulation of gene. Manipulation means changing. If we change some character in gene level. For example, this is the structure of DNA. A, G, T, C, C, Z. This is the fragment of or strand of a DNA. And this DNA produces a single stranded RNA. In case of A, it is replaced by U, Z, C, T, A, G, G, C. And this particular portion is defective. In case of T, it is required C. And this is the defective DNA portion. So, we remove this defective portion, remove this portion, and in case of T, we will add C. So, the fragment of RNA also changes. C to this is Z. So, it is the correct strand. So, particular portion of nucleotide is removed by this gene or genetic engineering process, and another portion is added. This is the technology is known as genetic engineering technology, also known as manipulating of gene. So, in this genetic engineering technology, for example, if there is two plants is there, this is the plant A and this is the plant B. If plant A produce better food or better fruit as compared to less better fruit of plant B. So, first we study the DNA which is used for better fruit production. We will take the two plants. A is for better production of fruit and B is less better as compared to A. First we take the DNA level of plant A and plant B. Study the DNA of plant A which is responsible for better fruit production, and plant B DNA which is mainly used for less better fruit production of plant B. So, in some case, when we compare this is the plant A DNA and this is the plant B DNA. AZZCCT is better production of plant A fruit and ACCTPC is for the plant B food production. So, we will change this sequence and add in this plant B. This is the plant A DNA sequence. We change this sequence and add this sequence in case of CCGG replaced by CC and T. So plant B also produce better fruit as compared to plant A. So how we change this sequence or fragment of DNA, that is known as genetic engineering. So in this genetic engineering technology, first we take a DNA, plasmid DNA. Where the plasmid DNA is present? Inside the bacteria, the plasmid DNA is present. This is the, we will study genetic engineering technology. This is the structure of a bacteria, and this bacteria contains a DNA which is lying on the cytoplasm. known as chromosomal DNA. Addition to the chromosomal DNA, another DNA is known as extra chromosomal DNA or plasmid. This plasmid is present only inside of bacteria or some eukaryotic like yeast, etc. But in this present study, we study about this bacteria. Bacteria contains the plasmid, which is known as extra chromosomal DNA. We take this extra chromosomal DNA and separate. After that, for example, this is the better fruit production DNA. This is the strand of DNA, which is responsible for better fruit production. So, we will take this DNA, and this DNA is known as foreign DNA because it is not a part of main DNA. So, this DNA, which is used mainly for better fruit production, is known as foreign DNA. First, we take this plasmid DNA, and if this DNA contains high nucleotide base pair, we remove 5 base pair of DNA sequence because this is a plasmid DNA. This DNA also double stranded, and remove this DNA with the help of some scissor-like substance, and that is known as molecular scissor, or also known as molecular scissor, and also known as restriction endonuclease. We remove this 5 base pair sequence from this plasmid, and with the help of molecular scissor is known as restriction endonuclease. After that, the plasmid is remain this structure. This is the plasmid. When we remove this particular portion of the plasmid DNA, then we add this foreign DNA with the help of DNA ligase. Ligase means this is the gum of DNA. This foreign DNA we take and add this DNA with this particular foreign DNA with the particular plasmid DNA. So after that, this portion is the foreign DNA, and this is the main plasmid DNA. So when we combine with this plasmid DNA with this foreign DNA, this structure is known as rDNA or recombination DNA. What do you mean by recombination? Recombination means reunion or joining of two substances. One is plasmid DNA, another is the foreign DNA. When these two DNA are joined with each other, this structure is known as rDNA or recombination DNA. After the production of recombination DNA, we will again introduce this recombinant DNA again inside this will be moved, and this bacteria name, for example, E. coli, Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli is present in our intestine of our body, which is mainly used for removal of waste material from our body. So, we will first take this plasmid. This plasmid is cut with molecular scissor known as restriction and the nuclease. For better production, we will take some foreign DNA and insert inside this plasmid to make a recombinant DNA. After that recombination DNA is produced, it will again introduce inside this bacteria for replication. The plasmid is replicate. Replicate means production of more number of copy. Single plasmid produce 2 plasmid, then these 2 plasmid produce each 2 and 4 number of plasmid. In this way, the plasmid is replicate inside the host. The host for this plasmid is known as bacteria. When we insert this plasmid inside this bacteria, it produces more number of copies and more plasmid inside this bacteria. After bacteria production or after recombinant DNA produced inside this bacteria, we will take this bacteria. This is the plant A, which is used for better or known for better fruit production, and this is the plant B, which is not produced better fruit. This bacteria is taken directly and wound is produced, any kind of hole is produced inside this plant B and inject this bacteria inside this plant. So when the bacteria is inserted or injected inside the plant, it will produces the DNA of this bacteria is produces RNA and DNA is produces RNA and this RNA is produces particular protein. And this particular protein will express inside the plant B, and at last the plant B is produces better fruit. So this is the detailed structure of the recombinant DNA technology and also known as genetic engineering technology. If some plant does not produce any better fruit, with the help of this technology, the plant B produces better fruit. In this way, the genetic engineering technology is completed. Then again, the application of genetic engineering technology for vaccine. Application means uses, in which case this technology is used for number 1, vaccine production. Number 2, hybrid fruit production. Number 3, insulin for insulin production. This genetic engineering technology is used. Number 4, antibiotic production. Then number 5, in tissue culture technology for plant. Tissue culture technology. Then number 6, transgenic animal, means when a genetic engineering technology, using of genetic engineering technology and insert this plasmid inside some host, it will produces transgenic animal or transgenic animal formation or transgenic. Transgenic means transfer of some gene. Transgenic plant formation and different kind of other activity. This genetic engineering technology is used. So this is the technology of genetic engineering and the first portion of biotechnology is completed. Thank you.